Dahil ba kayo po ay inihatid nyo ang Pangulong Duterte sa The Hague? Ito po bang kabayaran, Mr. President? Ito po ba'y premyo? Kasi kailangan nating ma-disabuse po ang pagdududa ng mga kababayan natin. Hindi naman po kayo ang dapat na maghatid sa kanya ron eh. Tama po, Mr. President?
Your Honor, sabi po ni Asik Lacanilaw, siya nga po he confirms that he was one of those on the plane with the former president.
Opo, wala namang pagdududa doon. There's no debate in that. Ang tinatanong po, kayo po bang authorized na dapat sumama na maghatid sa hindi tamang pagkakahatid sa dating Pangulo? Under what authority did you accompany the former president to The Hague, Netherlands?
According to Asik kanina lao, being with the OSCE, they are on top of the Interpol po. Kaya po sila po kasama. Kaya
What do
po
you mean
kasama.
they are on top of the Interpol, Mr. President? Does he mean, Mr. President, he is the local counterpart of the Interpol in the Philippines?
Yung pong PCTC daw po is that's Interpol NCB Manila.
Yun nga po.
Yan po.
The PCTC is the Philippine Center for Transnational Crimes.
Opo.
Kaya hindi po totoo na sinasabi niya na he is on top of transnational crimes. Kayo po ay special envoy, but the local counterpart of the Interpol is the PCTC. It should have been the executive director of the PCTC who should have accompanied the former president, even if we assume that that was regular.
According to Asik